Eh. Dude, when your puppy hangs around their ducks too much. Puppy, you're not a duck. Mr. Butch, you're not a duck. See what you're teaching him? You're teaching him bad behavior. He thinks he's going to dig in there and find something. Yeah, I blame you. All you ducks. What happened? Look. Mr. Butch, it's a water bowl. You drink out of it, silly doggy. Uh-oh, now you got Alice's paw in there. Look at that, Liberty. You see that, Liberty? I think they're little bitty ducks. Oh, Alice, Miss Alice. Oh, Liberty, look at the puppies. Oh, Liberty. Liberty, I'm trying to work on my camera work. He thinks he's a duck. Oh, he thinks he's a duck. He thinks he's a duck. Oh, he's so cute. How cute was that? Liberty, tell everyone have a good day. Butch. The puppy. You tell everyone have a good day, Butch?